mountains with valleys of green, past painted deserts, the sun sets on fire as he carries me home to the Mile of Kintyre. Mile of Kintyre, oh mist rolling in from the sea, my desire is always to be here, oh Mile of Kintyre. Sweep through the heather like deer in the glen, carry me back to the days I knew then, nights when we sang like a heavenly choir of their life and the signs of the Mile of Kintyre. Mile of Kintyre, oh mist rolling in from the sea, my desire is always to be here, oh Mile of Kintyre. Smiles in the sunshine and tears in the rain still take me back where my memories remain. Flickering embers go higher and higher as they carry me back to the Mile of Kintyre. Mile of Kintyre, oh mist rolling in from the sea, my desire is always to be here, oh Mile of Kintyre. Mile of Kintyre, oh mist rolling in from the sea, my desire is always to be here, oh Mile of Kintyre.
Okay, most people know for a man, he got married, he has kids, he now has grandkids. Hopefully not great. No, not yet. You know, he's proven everyone wrong, and I'm so happy to see everyone come here today. Celebrate. You know, thanks are due for these sort of things, and I'd like to, first of all, I'd like to thank my mum for keeping up with them. He is, apart from a persistent man, he's also a very stubborn man, and she's put up with so much, and she's hung in there. Thank you, Mum, for hanging in there for our dad. Secondly, the boys here in Sydney, Stuart, you know, for hanging around and being there. Paul, whenever they need any help, and in that case, you know, Vange as well, she's there to support Paul and let Paul come here and help them out. For us living in Sydney, you know, we always think about our parents, but it's soothing and calming for us to know that you know, the boys are here to help out when they need them.